Good morning and happy Tuesday to you, my friends. So if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends. So today is recitation day. Make sure that you are ready during morning meeting. Okay, so with that, let's actually not morning meeting, during Math Live. So with that, let's go ahead and get started on morning meeting. Remember, the very first thing we do is see who our student of the day is. We know that yesterday, was Jacob. So let's see who today's student of the day will be. Today's student of the day is Gwen Ochoa. Come on down, Gwen. So if Gwen were here, the very first thing Gwen would do is turn the clock to morning, because do we come to school in the morning or do we come to school at night? In the morning. Very good. And then, of course, Gwen would write her first and last name. But because Gwen isn't here, Mrs. Harrow will go ahead and do that for her. Okay, so I'm going to write Gwen. Ochoa. All right. And then Mrs. Harrow would give Gwen her Student of the Day sticker, followed by a pointer and saying, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Gwen would say, this here thing is called a calendar. This here is called a month. And what month are we in? May. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Monday, then that means that today is Tuesday. That means it is recitation day. So we'll take our little smiley face away. All right. But let's just double check with our days of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and do our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And remember, friends, there are 12 months in a year. And it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count to see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, before we put our number 18 there, let's go ahead and do our ABC pattern. But because of time constraints, let's go ahead and start right here. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Trapezoid, rectangle, parallelogram. Very good. All right, so we are going to put our number 18 right there. And then let's go ahead and help Gwen with the letters in the month of May, beginning with capital M, Danielian A, and monkey tail Y. May. Then we're going to finger space, and what two digits are we writing? A 1 and an 8. Followed by a comma number. No, sillies, it is a space. And then let's go ahead and give me the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. Now let's go ahead and read today's date together. Today's date is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 173 days, what would today be? 174. Well, let's go ahead and draw these out. First of all, we have our great big bundle of 100s, followed by Mr. 10, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Then let's go ahead and do Mrs. 1's 171, 172, 173, 174. That's it, 174. Now let's go ahead and graph this on our days in school graph. So, looking here, my friends, in the 100s column, we are going to write a what? We're going to write a 1. In Mr. 10's column, we are going to write, count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in Mr. 10's column, we will write a 7. And then finally in Mrs. 1's column, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right. Now, let's see if our days in school tag matches our days in school graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 7 Mr. 10s? How about 4 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 174. Wow, that is a whole lot of days, friends. And look at that. There's only a few left. Oh, I don't even want to think about that. All right, let's go ahead and do our coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. Very first coin is the quarter, and the quarter is worth, correct, 25 cents. And when we count quarters, we count them by 25s. And the second coin we have is the penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. So let's go ahead and we're going to start off with our quarters. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 cents. Very good. So let's go ahead and write 29 cents on our coin cup. Now, friends, don't forget your cent sign. Our end of the year test is tomorrow. Make sure that you don't forget that cent sign. That's all I can say. All right, it's time for our mystery bag. But before we do that, there are some things I want to show you for the mystery bag. Okay, so today we have something. I want you to look at our items first. Very first item we have here is this nice book called Taking Turns, all for the fractional price of 8 cents. Then we have this awesome this awesome pencil for 4 cents. Then we have, better make sure it stands. Hold on. Then we have this Groove in Blue Expo marker for 5 cents. And then finally, we have this, this awesome orange ruler for 6 cents. All right, now listen to, I better pick up that pencil. Listen to the clues for the mystery bag. Okay, so let's put our items back up. They have to get really close to each other, otherwise they fall. Now, this is not a good place to balance them, but this is the only place I have. Come on, pencil, work with me today. All right, there's our Expo. Come on, Expo marker. And finally, our Groove in Orange pencil. All right, so listen to the clues today. So today, in this lovely mystery bag, I put 2 things in here. The cost of the 2 things is 12 cents. The 2 things are not the same. Okay, so I put 2 things in my mystery bag that cost 12 cents. Okay, so we know that we have to add somehow, right? So let's see. We need 12 cents, right? Okay, so Gwen, what 2 items do you think are going to add up to 12 cents? Gwen says the book and the pencil. I don't know. First things first, though, we do have to write 8 cents. Right? Oh, my poor 8. It's because I'm writing. Hold on. 8 cents plus 4 cents equals, what does 8 cents plus 4 cents equal, friends? That is a fact. That's a math fact. 12 cents. Ding, 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 ding. But let's see what is in our mystery bag. Let's see if Gwen is correct, because Gwen said it was the book and the pencil. Right, Gwen? Oh, yeah, these things do not stand up. All right, so let's see. The very first thing that I drew out of my mystery bag is, ta-da! We definitely have a book. The second item is, ta-da, a pencil. So, Señorita Gwen, you were correct. So let's give Gwen a round of applause. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Great job there, young lady. All right, let's go ahead and do our counting really quickly. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's start off with, let's go backwards from our hundreds. 1,000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400, 300, 200, 100, 0. Now let's go backwards from tens. So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Good job. Even numbers, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And finally, back fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very, very good. Now look here, friends. Look at today's pattern. Today's pattern is very, very different. Look here. We have 0, 4, 8, 12, 16. So 0. So from 0 to 4, how many numbers did we need? How many numbers are we skip counting? Well, let's look here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 4. And then let's see if it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 8, right? Now let's see to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 is 12. Okay. How about 16? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to know what is our missing number right there. 16. We got to add 4 to that. So 16, I want you to add 4 in your brain. All right. On a count of 3, I want you to shout out the missing number. 1, 2, 3. Ah, you are correct. 20. Ding, 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 ding. Very, very good. That was fantastic. Alrighty, my friends. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Remember, be ready for your recitation. Don't forget, you have to do title and the author. And I'm looking for voice variation. I'm looking for you to breathe some life into your recitation. Alrighty, friends. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye.